Holy shit! Hey! Whoa! 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 Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric. Hopefully you guys can hear me. And today I'm currently in Village Marina because I'm gonna be going camping. There's some ledgers going on in here. Some dredgers. Sorry for the noise. And there's some islands here in the Indian River that I'm gonna be going camping in because I'm gonna try for the first time on the water my 12 horsepower Hangkai. Show you guys a better view of it. Now I put a 9.8 sticker as a gag on my first video. I put that on the description below and on top if you guys want to see the initial setup and unboxing. There's a gag about that. I took the stickers out and put Tohatsu instead. It's a Hangkai, but it's a Tohatsu clone. Anyway, so it is time for me to hit the water and see what this motor is all about. Let me get to work. All right, well, so far so good. Moving along just fine. And that's what I'm heading towards the water. Just an FYI, I did the break-in period on a bucket at home. 90% of it was done on idle, 10% under load. So I have done some load break-in, but not a lot. So today I'm gonna be doing a lot of that, a lot of breaking in on the load. I changed the gas ratio in oil to from 25:1 to 35:1 because it's already lubed up. It's ready to go. Anyway, let me go ahead and hit the water and head to the island. Okay, so I got you guys on the big selfie stick. The moment you give it a little bit of acceleration, it really pushes. Choppy. Dang it. I was hoping to catch planes. Now this is too choppy and I got a lot of gear, but it's moving along. Woo! Oh wow, the waters are really choppy today. Woo! Alright, heading towards the island. Alrighty, so I got the boat parked right there. This is the island I'm gonna be staying at. I believe this is Sport Island SL7 because SL8, the one I was going to, that one is taken by a group. I'm not gonna bother them. Alright, let's check real quick what we got going on here. Waiting for those of you who have never seen this before. Yeah, it's got a picnic table. Yeah, somebody was gonna make a barbecue, they never did. Excellent. Sweet. Somebody let me some salt and pepper. It's probably wet. Alright, so the waters on this side are very choppy. However, the waters on this side are semi-calm. So what I'm going to do is I want to see how fast I can go on the motor. I got the GPS on my phone. I'm gonna record how fast I go. I'm gonna spend some hours out here, see, gauge an idea of fuel consumption. I put some marks on the tank where it was full. I want to see how much it uses. I got at least 3 hours worth of daylight before it goes dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpack, set up my campsite, and hit the water. I got my campsite set up. Got a little night lamp in there. Got a little Duralog light for the night there and then there, so it's gonna be well lit. I got another light charging over there. So this area is gonna be well lit for the evening. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump into the boat and do the actual test. I want to see how fast I can go. Now, there's one thing I want to mention. I'm not sure if I'll be able to catch a plane. You see my CK380, this beautiful boat right here. I love this boat. Is nose happy because it's very lightweight. So I'm not sure if I'll catch a plane or not, but I'm hoping that I do because I want to see what kind of speeds I get. So let me get to that. Okay, guys. Here we go. All right, here we go. Crap. Yep. I caught plane all right. Holy Christ. How fast am I going? I am going fast. Holy shit. Whoa. 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 going. I'm letting the GPS record. Okay, I must have gone at least 19 or something. Jesus Christ above in heaven. Okay, so, yeah, this thing is fast. Heavens above, that scared the crap out of me. Okay, all right, let me see how fast I went. It says here, wait, does it show the maximum? I'm gonna have to do it live. 1 second. Let me put this thing down. I thought it would record the max speed. I guess I had to do it again. Oh, what a shame, right? Here we go. 9. Oh no, there it is. Yeah, never mind. I'm so sorry. I'm a fool. I am a fool. It says it right there. I went 20 miles per hour. 20 miles per hour. That's not bad. That is not bad. All right, so my next mission is you just put some hours. I'm gonna spend an hour or two out here, visit some islands, check them out, and yeah. Then tomorrow morning I plan on starting it when it's really cold, because right now we're in a cold front here in Florida. It's gonna be jumping to the 30s and 40s. I'm gonna do a cold start and see how it goes. Anyway, let me go ahead and fool around. That's another nice island. I don't know what number is this one, but it's nice. Somebody's camping over there. Yeah, lots of nice islands out here, man. They usually are first come, first serve. So if any of you have intentions to come camp out here, the islands are, first come, first serve. I grabbed the one that I'm at. However, the other end of the island, somebody took it. I took the other end, which is fine. It works. Anyway, so far the little motor, gosh, so delightful, this little motor. Anyway, let me shut up and continue messing about. I want to go really fast. However, the waters are really choppy today. It's very windy too. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to go like super fast, but you know what? This is good enough. I'm putting hours on the motor. I'm having a good time out here. It ain't bad. It ain't bad at all. Any day on the water is better than any other day, I tell you. Okay, I'm back at the island. I brought the boat in. My legs are shaky, my arms are shaky. Everything is shaking because the waters were rough. Especially my left arm, holding to the tiller. Nothing wrong with the motor. It did right. It's just that the waters were rough today. I was not expecting that. Anyway, since I'm out here, I'm gonna show you guys the campsite at nighttime. Right now, it's well lit, obviously. But at nighttime, I'm gonna get it all lit up, and yeah, I think it'll be nice. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat something. I think I'm done for the water. I think I did maybe 10 miles at most. I wanted to do more, but I think 10 is enough for today. Whew. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the evening. Well, nighttime has arrived, or is about to arrive. Sun's going down. Man, that's a beautiful view, ain't it? Boat's right there parked up. What do you guys think, huh? I like my campsite. It's very, very, very well lit. Got 2 lights in there. It's got a little Envirolog, one of those dual logs in there. Another one there. Another light over there. Yeah, I do like my my campsite's well lit. Anyway, I guess I'll be seeing you guys in the morning when I do the the cold start and see how it goes. By then I'll probably put the camera like in my head so you guys can see like in front of me what's going on. And yeah, see you then. Alright, so morning time has arrived. Beautiful sunrise coming from the east. It's very nice. Looks like the waters are still choppy, so I'm gonna have to fight that. It's fine. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pack up everything on the boat. And it's not that cold. It's like in 55 degrees right now. I want to see how it starts. I got a feeling it's gonna start just fine, but still I want to add that into the video. Anyway, that's coming up next. Okay, all right. The boat is packed and ready. Let's double check the campsite, make sure nothing's left behind. Let's see how this motor starts in a moment. Let me paddle out of here. I'm sure it's gonna start right up. No issues whatsoever. I mean, so far the way it has performed has been flawless. Those are my camping neighbors coming out. All right, here we go. Got that. Choke is on. Yep. It's already primed, so I'm sure it'll start. Yep. There he goes. Yeah, it took a little bit. I mean, it's freaking cold. But that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. That's awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna do right now. I'm back in the dock. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the fuel line. I'm gonna let it run dry so when I put it back in the car, it doesn't spill. Yeah. Okay, so I got everything almost unpacked. I'm about to deflate the boat, but I want to do a quick inspection on the motor. Nothing is broken. Nothing has fallen apart. A little bit of soot from the exhaust, that's expected. It cooled just fine. There's a sink anode is doing its job. I can see little tiny particles of metal. It's doing its job. That takes the hit from all the built up static electricity. Well, this motor is a winner. This motor, just like my Tohatsu, it's gonna be with me for quite some time. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you found this video informative. I'll put links to this motor on top and below, and the boats as well. If you use those links, it helps me a lot. So thanks for watching, guys. Later.